See those black little boxes? They're called telephones. Let me tell you something about these telephones. And they're not gonna dial themselves, okay? Yeah. Because without you, they are just worthless hunk of plastic. It's like an M16 without a trained man to pull the trigger. And in the case of the telephone, it's up to each and every one of you, my highly scrutinized, my killers who will not take a no for an answer, my fucking warriors who will not hang up the phone until the client either buys something or fucking dies! Yeah! Let me tell you something. There is no nobility or poverty in being a rich man, a poor man, and not just rich every fucking time. Because at least, as a rich man, when I have to face my problems, I show up the back of my limo and wearing a 2,000 suit and a 40,000 gold fucking watch! Now, if anyone here thinks I'm superficial or materialistic, go get a job at fucking McDonald's. Because that's where you belong. But before you depart this room full of winners, I want you to take a good look, at the person next to you. Did you see? Go on. Because something in the not so distant future, you're pulling up at the red light and you beat up a fucking Pinto. And that person is gonna pull up a ride alongside you in a brand new Porsche. With their beautiful wife by his side, who's got a big voluptuous tits. And who will be next to you? Got some disgusting water beast with 3 days of racing shovel in a sightless moo-moo, criminal next to you with a car full of groceries from the fucking Price Club. Yeah, that's who you're gonna be sitting next to. That's who you're gonna be sitting next to!